Take it back or let me go. It's better if I tell you so. I hurt you once before and I do it again. Everyone I know is gone and I don't even know myself. I'm saving up to take a trip to Mexico. I heard it's the place to go. I want to see the colors of another sky.
Before you react to something, there's always a moment where you think to yourself, how am I going to respond? Like when the girlfriend says she wants to meet up for a cup of coffee. A party says yes, another part says no, and then the rest is somewhere in between. Well, this time, it's a yes.
Show